Shwmae, a chroeso to this short video message to help you prepare for your Cymraeg exams. Firstly, let's look at some other places that you can get information. Now, if you use Twitter, this hashtag is full of resources, quizzes, and tips. It also has videos and other ideas to help you revise. You can also tweet to this address and I will answer any specific questions you might have about the exams or about Welsh in general. And recently we have also developed 2 new blogs. They are both full of information and ideas and activities to help you revise. They are really well worth the effort to look at them, and there are links and other superb revision resources there too. So let's look at some specific tips. One of the things that you will need to do is to be able to change the first person to the third person, and this will help you gain extra marks in both exams. Here are some examples. Another tip, of course, is using different sentence patterns or a variety of sentence patterns. And here are some examples for you. Another aspect is using negative sentence patterns, and here are some for you. And also using different tenses, and here are some of those for you. So there we have revision tips. Don't forget, you can tweet any questions or any further ideas for resources to at stmartins_Welsh. Pob lwc gyda'r dysgu. Hashnod, dwi'n croesi'r llinell hyd.